Their new favorite place to play.
First, the alpha female, the heads of the pack, eat the prime cut of the animal, supporting the wolf clean up their necks. And finally,
It wasn't tipped over.
usually the youngest,
They decided to tip over and then pull the blanket out and then have a good time.
young wolf approaches and takes a share.
Earlier they were roughhousing and then they got quiet. I looked and they were sleeping.
Continue to feed on the carcass, and the feast carries on into the night. A lot of what I know about pack psychology I learned from these two, Teton and Madison, two gray wolves I raised right alongside Brutus. Once Teton and Madison were full grown, they joined a pack of Arctic wolves. The wolf keep wildlife
The barking is the black one and the grumbly voice is the little tan one. The little tan one very rarely barks.
but they're definitely part of the pack.
Little black one barks all the time. That's what happens when you have a rainy day and you can't go play outside. You make new things to play with.